I'm going to start by creaming together some butter and golden caster sugar. I'm using fresh cherries that I've halved and stoned, but you can use frozen fruit. I'm just going to lightly coat the cherries and marzipan in a little bit of flour, and that should help prevent it sinking as it bakes. Now we're going to start adding the beaten egg, and go quite slowly with this. If you add it too quickly, it might curdle the mixture, but don't worry if it does. Just add a little bit of flour, that should bring it back together. A little splash of vanilla extract. Now the mixture is well blended. Now I've got some sieved flour. Of course, it wouldn't be a Cherry Bakewell without some ground almonds. If you want the full recipe, just see the link below. And give that a gentle fold together. And finally, some grated lemon zest and juice. I'm going to spoon 2/3 of the mixture into the cake tin, just to get a nice base to sit the cherries and marzipan on. I'm just going to scatter half of the cherries and marzipan over the surface of the cake. Spoon the rest of the cake mixture over the top, just levelling off the surface. And then scatter over the remaining cherries and marzipan. And then with your fingertips, just press the fruit and the marzipan in quite lightly. And as it bakes, the cake will rise and the fruit will sink a little bit, but that's perfectly normal. Now this needs to bake for about 1 hour and 15 minutes until it's golden and cooked all the way through. If it gets too dark, just cover it with a little bit of foil. Now my cake is cooked and cooled, so I'm going to make some icing for it. I've got some icing sugar that I've sieved. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice and a little cherry juice. Just add it a bit at a time till you get the texture you want from the icing. You want to make sure it drizzles easily. You should end up with a nice smooth icing. If you find it a little bit too thick, just add a splash of water. And then just drizzle that over the surface of the cake. A few flaked almonds and our beautiful cake is ready. Click to subscribe for more great recipes.